This is Avi at Geeks. Doing a quick little video today on the Infiniti Qx30. This little urban juggernaut is pretty sweet. It's got a slew of awesome features, and the most important one today that we're going to cover on is how to get those mirrors to automatically fold in for you. So real quickly, I'm going to hop in here. There's your Geek, and here we go. So right away, guys, when you get in the car, most likely you're going to be at the trip page right here. So there's actually 5 subcategories in your middle instrument cluster right here. And if you actually use these left and right arrows and scroll to settings, and you're going to want to scroll down to convenience features, tap OK. And normally when you get there, it's going to say press OK to enable folding automatic mirrors. So just tap OK, and now when you see that little symbol right there, guys, it's turned orange. That means it's active. And what's really cool is this car really turns into that urban warrior, where it's going to help protect your car in that urban jungle, because now when you hop out and you put the car in park and tap lock, those mirrors are automatically going to fold in for you. So great little pro tip right here, so you don't have to go through this giant instruction manual